Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Port Antonio, which is the birthplace of Jamaica's tourism, where the Blue and the Johncrow Mountains kiss the sea in a loving embrace. A quick trip up the mountains takes you to Ocean Bay Resort, an 11-room villa established in the hills of Norwich, forming a part of the landscape of the magical town. Its location gives you panoramic views of Port Antonio's charming coastline. The property, which sits on 2 acres, features ensuite rooms, including a grand owner's suite, a penthouse, expansive rooftop terraces and balconies on the upper floors, spacious sitting rooms, dining area, kitchen, conference room, and an office forms the layout on the ground floor. For outdoor reclining, there are porches to the front and rear of the building, as well as a poolside entertainment area with a generous 7,000 square feet interior floor plan, along with quick access to iconic landmarks such as the Errol Flynn Marina, the Reach, Nanny and Sommersets Falls, Frenchman's Cove, and a plethora of other exotic beaches, Blue Lagoon, and the Boston Jerk facility, which have defined the Port Antonio experience. You will become a super host. Port Antonio and your realtor of choice await to schedule a viewing appointment. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this villa is US 2.9 million or Jamaican $446.3 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.